Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to get the Liquify tool in Clip Studio Paint. Clip Studio Paint doesn't come with a Liquify tool, and I always see a lot of people talking about it, and it is possible to get, and I will show you how to do it. Now, technically it isn't Clip Studio Paint's tool that they've made, but we have something amazing called the Clip Studio assets. So if you bring up your Clip Studio menu here, and to get here I think we just go file and we click on open Clip Studio ... I guess that's what it's called. So we're going to open this up and we're going to go to Clip Studio assets. Looks like this here, so click on it and we're going to find ourselves the search bar when it loads, and we're literally going to type Liquify. So Liquify will bring us a couple of things, and it may look a little different when you get there. I actually started because I knew that I would want to find it again, and it is just a brush that has been tweaked within, like a blending brush that's been tweaked within Clip Studio Paint and uploaded to work pretty well. So you're gonna click on this one. It's by J Fran Draws, and it's been downloaded over 25,000 times at this point. So anyway, you're just gonna click download. Mine says re-download, so we don't need to download it. And then you're gonna find it under manage materials. I wonder if you can type it in. You could even just search for it, type it in your manage materials to find it. And to import anything from your materials into your Clip Studio, you can just drag it, and that's how it works on PC. iPad's a little different, more complicated. We're gonna pull that into here. You can see I've already done it, but I'll just pull it in again. Just drag, put it there, and it'll go to the bottom. So here it is. If we were to start a new project and we were to paint, we'll get something, I'm just gonna solidly paint here, and I don't know, we're just making it up. I'm literally drawing with my mouse. Let's use this. Let's actually use this, and we want to use our Liquify tool. The settings that it comes with, you don't change anything, and it will let you use the brush like a Liquify tool. Now, the Liquify tool might not be perfect, and Liquify tool, I should note, is also very situational. So there's going to be a lot of situations it's not going to be useful, but this is better than nothing. So if you're looking for a Liquify tool, this is what we have. So hopefully that helps you guys, and take care.